The REMDAP was developed to improve access to environmental information and serve as a clearinghouse mechanism to strengthen the process of regional environmental monitoring and assessment. It provides access to analytical tools and data infrastructure to support the access and sharing of environmental data and supports the ESCAZU agreement. During this launch video, we will tell you about how the project worked to develop REMDAP, show you the platform, and illustrate some of its key features. WSP was contracted under the Jeff IWECO project to lead this intervention and engage the project partners UNEP CEP, CARFA, and the OECS Commission, as well as national IWECO stakeholders and regional stakeholders in the development of REMDAP. The national IWECO focal points were involved in the creation and collection of environmental data at a national level and provided support on the inclusion of other national stakeholders involved in environmental data collection. This stakeholder engagement allowed us to understand the user requirements for the platform, their unique technical, financial, and resource capacities which need to be considered in platform development. A key component of platform development was evaluating the range of potential implementation solutions and coming up with a preferred option. Through stakeholder engagement, we were able to develop a set of criteria which were used to evaluate the potential implementation options. These criteria were developed based on our existing knowledge of platforms and implementation scenarios regionally and in our experience in working with development agencies, based on resources and infrastructure used to implement and maintain platforms, resources available from regional entities such as UNEP, CARFA, OECS, CPAG, and others, and their experiences in developing and maintaining platforms. We evaluated the options against the criteria, and over a 3-month period, were able to come to a consensus on the preferred option. During the platform development and population with data, we held virtual and face-to-face engagement with stakeholders to not only understand their requirements, but to work to collect data for populating the platform. We held a 2-day hybrid capacity building session with over 70 participants to train stakeholders on data collection, data management, and the administration of the platform. REMDAP was developed on OECS's existing ArcGIS Online, or AGOL, platform, extending its functionality to support access to environmental information. REMDAP's homepage provides access to national environmental portals, regional and global resources, access to partner sites, and useful materials such as the IWECO Indicator Compendium. Antigua and Barbuda has been one of the first countries to make their country page publicly accessible. In developing the pilot REMDAP, each country page is standardized. However, it can be customized by national stakeholders to illustrate a wide variety of environmental information, environmental indicators, and data. Each page contains 3 key sections. Firstly, an environmental dashboard, which provides an avenue to calculate and visualize environmental indicators for which data has been collected and being held. Secondly, a web application where spatial and non-spatial data can be loaded or linked to from national, regional, or international portals. Thirdly, search functionality, where countries have populated the platform with data and metadata, developed categories, and categorized the data using data tags. This allows the country data to be searchable via an intuitive interface. Finally, the project partners are working with national stakeholders to distribute remaining licenses and coordinate with national representatives to confirm public access to country pages. Future plans for the platform will see users coordinate and self-manage the platform, work on developing protocols for managing data, add more data and develop dashboards and web apps according to their needs, and finally, organically grow the use of the platform according to individual needs and data. Thank you.